Hello, welcome to STEM Club today. I've got another outside demonstration that involves some water. You can see it's a beautiful day out here on a Tuesday. My cherry tree back there is blooming, and if you look around there, that yellow thing is a beautiful forsythia bush next to the playground here in the backyard. And what I've got is this. It attaches to the hose and it sprays water, and what's inside of this is a series of things that keep the water from moving around in all sorts of directions. Normally when water is coming through the hose, it can churn around and swirl and do things like that. So inside here, there's kind of a screen section here toward the bottom that kind of stops the water from swirling, and then it goes up through some straws here in the middle, and then finally it's squeezed to a point. So all the water is flowing out this nozzle in the same direction. And when it does that, we get something called laminar flow. And water sticks to things, and it sticks to itself. And if we have laminar flow, all of those little turbulent things going on in the water stop, and it sticks together and just stays in a nice fixed stream. Let's take a look at what that looks like. So first of all, let's take a look at what the hose looks like just by itself. You can see water coming out of there, all sorts of things going on. It splits up, it breaks up. I can do all sorts of things to it, but the water quickly breaks up and splits into many things. This is not laminar flow. And now you see I've got my laminar flow nozzle on here, and I get nice laminar flow right there. It does start to break up a little bit and eventually turns into drops way up on the other side, but it stays together very nicely coming out of there. I see a little bit of, whoop. You can see how the air coming out of the hose makes that a little bit strange. But as it's coming out there pretty smooth, it stays together and makes this beautiful arc.